and welcome back. I know it's been a while since I've been on here, and you guys, I do apologize, but thank you so much for sticking with me, and welcome to all my new subscribers. If you guys are not familiar with me, I do home decor and DIYs, and I do a few hauls, although I feel like I'm going to be moving my hauls over to another channel shortly, but not set in stone just yet. So guys, welcome again to my channel and happy 2020. If you guys have anything that you want to accomplish this year, if you want to start a YouTube channel, whatever it is, go out and do it. I want to see some good positive vibes your way for this year, for blessings and prosperity. And so yes, with that being said, I do have some DIYs to show you. So I did 2 DIYs, and I had planned to do both for my office. However, I kind of changed my mind on that once I got it all set up. But so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the DIYs that I have done this time. And I hope you guys enjoy them. And so yeah, let's get right into this video. I've had this old electric fireplace in my basement for years, and I decided to give it a facelift and use it in my office. I'm going to start off by taping off all of the controls and any other hardware that I don't want to be spray painted. Once I have it all taped up, I'm going to take it out to the garage to spray paint, and I'll be spray painting it gold. Right here I'm just taking a few quick measurements to see how much space I have for decorating this piece. And since I don't have a lot of space to work with, I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree bling wrap to decorate this piece. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscription button as well as the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Next, I'm going to be going in with a Mod Podge and glitter mixture, and I'm going to be using the color Champagne Gold. And here's how it came out. You guys, I always get so many questions about this room. I thought I'd give you guys a quick tour of how I've decorated everything for winter. For my next DIY, I'll be using this old Panera Bread box that I already had. Now I'm just going to fold down the handles and use hot glue to secure them. Once I have the handles all glued down, I'm going to take it out to the garage to spray paint, and I'll be spray painting it silver. Now I'm just going back in with my hot glue gun and sealing up the spaces. So now I'm just going to go in with my Mod Podge and fine glitter mixture, and I'm going to be using 2 colors. With a foam brush, I'm just spreading out the Mod Podge mixture along the bottom of the tray. Now I'm just going back in with my lighter colored glitter, and I'm going to lay that down right beside the other Mod Podge. Now I'm just going back in with my foam brush and smoothing it out. And so I'm going to continue this process, alternating colors until the entire tray is filled. Now I'm just going to be taking some leftover paper that I had already, and I'm just going to measure it and cut it down so that it fits over the handle portions of my box. You guys, I had this leftover fabric from another project, and I decided to use it here. So right here, I'm just pulling the fabric as tight as I possibly can. Now that my fabric is all glued down, I'm going to go back in with Mod Podge and just paint over top of it. This will cause the fabric to harden and make it appear more like metal. Now I'll be going in with this metal ribbon that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. have for today. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a big huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you hadn't, as well as hitting the notification bell and turning on your notifications. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.